Hi Yaya Yogis, Miss Vanessa here again. I'm going to show you how to make a breathing stick that looks like this. And this breathing stick helps to encourage to find 3 deep, big belly breaths. And belly breaths help to calm your mind and your body down. It's also a great visual on to find your breath, and also very tactile way for those kids who need to feel it in their hands to find their breath. So it's very simple. The first thing you need is a pipe cleaner. You will also need some beads. So the beads, you'll choose 3 of one color. So I chose red, and 3 of a different color. I chose blue as my second color. Then you'll get your pipe cleaner and fold it in half, but try to keep the loop at the top. At the bottom, you'll twist it so that it can stay together, just like that. See? Easy. Then you'll start with whatever one of the colors you chose. So I'll start with blue. I'll thread my blue through both ends all the way to almost the end where there's just a little loop like that. And then find the alternate color, which for me was red. So I'll put red. All done. Okay, then, so this pokey part, you're gonna fold it down. So do a little fold and then press it so that way the beads don't fall off and then you don't poke yourself either. Pull all the beads to the bottom, just like so. So it looks kind of like a oval, a teardrop. And then you'll find a seated position that feels comfortable to you. Find a tall back, a tall spine. Hold your beads where it feels comfortable. I like them right here, but I'm gonna hold it up just for this purpose. You'll start with the first bead. You'll pull and breathe in all the way full into the belly. Then when you pull the red bead over, you're gonna breathe out through the mouth. So breathe in and out. And in and out. In and out. And that's it. When you're all done, you can pull them back to the end. This is an easy way to find your breath. You can put it in your pocket and keep it in your pocket. Or since most of us are all home, you can keep it in your bedroom or in a safe place that you want to go do some deep belly breathing. Since we're not in school, I won't talk too much about using this in school, but I have found that some kids, when we get back into school, that some kids like to keep this in their backpack or in their pocket and can easily take it out and use this underneath your desk whenever you need to find some breath just in and out through the nose, which is another way you can do it too. Right before a test, that's a great time. Right before you go up for a presentation, that's another good time. So these are just things to kind of keep in the back of our mind when we do go back to school. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun making breathing sticks. Bye.